1. Sit on the floor or a mat. 2. Lean your upper body back slightly to engage your core. 3. Lift both legs to about a 45-degree angle. Knees can be slightly bent or straight. Advanced. 4. Your torso and legs should form a V shape. 5. Arms extended straight in front of you, palms facing each other. 6. Clap your feet together, lightly, and keep them hovering above the ground throughout the movement. 1. Rotate your arms and torso together to the right, toward your hip. 2. Return to center with control. 3. Rotate to the left, aiming toward the opposite hip. 4. Repeat, alternating left and right in a slow, controlled rhythm. Form tips. Keep your core engaged throughout. This is what holds you stable. Do not let your legs drop or your back round. The movement comes from the core, not just swinging the arms. Keep shoulders relaxed and avoid hunching. Try to keep the arms straight, only rotating the torso and shoulders. Reps and sets. Beginner, 10 to 12 reps each side, 2 to 3 sets. Advanced, 15 to 20 reps each side, 3 to 4 sets. Modifications. Easier, keep feet on the floor or hold behind your knees. Harder, add a small weight or medicine ball in your hands. Please check my next video.